Greetings everybody and welcome to our updated video of how to use a OMNY card. This one is how to use a regular OMNY card. There's two ways of how to use an OMNY vending machine. One, you can press start. See, we are at the Jamaica Center station. If you want to buy a new OMNY card, you press the option right there. Minimum $1. See, it gives you at 10, 20, 34, 136. You want to go back. If you want to check the balance, that's $9.50. The other way how to do it is very simple. You come and do this, and the same information appears. And if you want to reload, you could put in 25 cents. See, it has to be greater than $1. It has to be $1. So,
Receipt?
Yes, just in case. That's in all these things.
and we are going to do the following. We're gonna reload. You are going to use debit. This time we're going to insert our debit card in here. Says Willie card. We input our PIN. And that's it. And the receipt has been completed and end transaction. So that will be it, folks. So thank you for watching.